Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I am going to be doing an inspired look, and I'm going to have three more after this one. As a makeup artist, sometimes you have to pull inspiration from pretty much anywhere, and sometimes it could be the oddest places. So I was on TikTok and I've been seeing these posts about these juices. Let me know if you're familiar or have heard about these. So I went ahead and ordered them because I said, okay, I could probably draw some makeup inspiration from these juices. Actually, I got them because I wanted to try them, but then I was thinking after the fact, okay, that might be something I can draw some inspiration from. So I got four juices and four different flavors. And I wanted to start out with the original. And it's the original Skittles juice. And this is, I guess, going viral on TikTok. And of course, it's red. So I did a red look for this inspiration and inspired juice, Skittles juice look. So I have the tutorial for this look linked in the description box down below. And I'll go ahead and let you know how I achieved this look and what products I used. So for the eyeshadows, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2. The one that has all the pretty pinks and purples. So in this look, I used on the lid this red color. It's called Living My Best. I also used out in the outer corner this color in Crazy, just to deepen it a little bit. And for the transition, I used this, I did say that dark outer corner was called Crazy. And then I used Tipsy Girl as a transition. And then under the brow, I used G Money, this brown, just to apply under the brow as a blending color. So that's pretty much what I used to get the eyeshadow. I also used in the inner corner, I wanted to have a pop of some kind of color. So this is a color from, and oh my goodness, I forgot the name of the company. Darn it. I need to start looking these things up before I do the video. But the color is in Ballerina. And it doesn't look like it's going to focus, but this is what the color looks like. It's an iridescent kind of bluish pink color. So I put that in the inner corners. And then for the lashes, I am using another pair of lashes from Butterfly Effects by Desi. And this is in the style Unapologetic. And they are these red and pink glitter lashes, and they have hearts on them, stars. I have a blue pair that I did a look, and that is in one of the looks I did for the palette. What is it called? Oh, the Wonderland palette. So I used the blue matching pair, and that one of those videos, I think it was like the fourth one maybe. And so I had this matching red pair, and I said that would go perfect with my original Skittles look. So for the foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder again in Deep Spice 7W1. I'm using a blush from MAC called A Little Lusty. I doubt they still have this, but it was kind of a red blush, so I decided to use that in the look. And then for the highlight, I'm using Magnolia Makeup in Soul Glow. And for the lip, this is an About Face matte painted lip color. And it is in the color Fireside, I think that's what it says. And it's a pretty deep red. So I really like that. I had recently got that too, and I said that'll go perfect with my Skittles look. So I think that was pretty much how I completed the look. I don't want to keep you too long, but check out the tutorial. You'll get a chance to see all these colors in action. And I do appreciate you stopping by. I have 3 other juices to come up with looks for, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you like this look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.